I get questions all the time on how best to learn C#, what the steps are, where a person should go next, and so on. As you know, my goal is to make learning C# easier. The problem is that everyone starts out at a different place in their learning experience, and everyone has gaps in what they've already learned. So I've started to put together some resources that will help you out wherever you are at in your learning experience. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the early resources from that effort and how you can get your hands on them. Stick around to the end since I'm also going to be giving away some discounts to my paid resources to help you go further faster. So, the first resource I put together is a 2-page guide that outlines the easy way to learn C#. It walks you through the 4 steps that you should take to really understand any topic you learn. Those 4 steps are to watch or read a tutorial, create 2 to 5 practice projects, watch a real-world tutorial, and then create a real-world practice application yourself. As you can see, the hard way skips steps 2 and 3. That seems faster, but the end result is a lot more painful in the end. Now, if we scroll down here to page 2, the guide walks you through a simple pathway to learning C#. It is broken into 2 parts, the easiest way and the self-guided way. I want everyone who wants to learn C# to be able to do so easily, not just those who can pay. The reason the paid courses exist is to fund all of this training. Now, you are always going to need to pay in some manner to learn C#. You either pay with money to have a quicker learning experience, or you pay in your time and go down the self-guided path. Either way, I will support you as best I can. So that's the first resource I'm giving away today. The second resource I'm giving away is this C# practice worksheet. This is a printable worksheet to help make your learning experience more focused and intentional. This worksheet will help you identify the steps you need to take next as you learn a topic. Notice that this follows the 4-step plan I outlined in the first resource. Now, I get that sometimes it can be tricky to fill out a worksheet for the first time. You don't always know what to put in each field or how detailed you need to be. So I create a sample worksheet for you as well. This sample demonstrates how you might fill out a worksheet while learning unit testing in C#. Note that even the full application practice application isn't something you have to put into production. The tournament tracker application from the C# application from start to finish course could stand in as that full application. Since it does not have unit testing, that's a great one to apply unit testing to in order to figure out how well you understand the topic. Also, note that out of this experience came several things that this person needs to learn more about. That's very common. Just add them to your list. Don't try to learn them at the same time. Now, down in the description, you will see a link to download this toolkit with these resources. You'll need to pay with your email address, but don't worry, I won't give it away or share it. You will get follow-up emails from me with additional resources, but feel free to unsubscribe at any time. If you're already subscribed, don't worry, you won't be double added to this list. Now, I do want to take a minute to mention that I have several courses that might benefit you. If you go to www.IAmTimCorey.com, you can see a full list. Just recently, I added offline capabilities to each of my courses. Now you don't have to be online to enjoy these courses. In celebration of this free update, I've put quite a few of these courses on sale. The Application Lifecycle Design course, Getting Started with .NET Core, SQLite application from start to finish, and any of the C# application from start to finish courses are all on sale. Just use the coupon code 15OFF to get the course discounts like so. Click on the Buy button on a course, and when you're on the checkout page, click the Add Coupon and type 150FF and hit Apply. This will apply a discount to your purchase. Now note that these discounts will only last through the end of June 2019. But if you miss it, don't worry. Just join my mailing list. By joining my mailing list, you'll be alerted when new sales happen as well as when new courses are launched. So to recap, you get your toolkit with the worksheets and training guide by following a link in the description. I've also included customized links for purchasing any of the courses on sale below in our description. These links apply to the coupon code directly, so you can quickly purchase the course or courses that you want. Now, once you've downloaded and tried these materials, post a comment in the description with any questions you still have. I'd love to know how these materials worked for you and what would be helpful to add to them. I want to make even better resources for you in the future, and your feedback is how that will happen. Thanks for watching, and as always, I am Tim Corey.